It's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Speaking of enjoying everyday life, as you guys can see, there's a bit of a set change here. I am at one of our local parks, and I absolutely love nature. Like, that is one of my loves, and I should be in the process of spring cleaning right now, but I am not really feeling it today. I did go pick up some things and I tested out some things that I'm going to share with you guys in today's video. But you know, sometimes you just need to take a mental health break where it's just you and nature, and you know, time to just really think. I like to call it just kind of like that time where you can be one with nature, one with God. And for me, when I'm out by water, it just really calms my spirit. And so we're kicking off our spring cleaning this weekend with my team and with planning, you know, with all the things we have coming up this year for events. We have over 22 events planned, 22 weddings already for this year. And so my team and I were in the process of planning that whole cleaning and organizing thing for the entire month of March. And so it's going to kick off tomorrow. It's going to be very intense. It's going to probably take us about a month to clean and organize everything. But at the same time, one of my partners, we're working on an app and we're working on some other things to bring you guys for organizing and cleaning your event planning inventory. So today I wanted to try out some products on the throne chairs because those seats sometimes can be really hard to clean. I have gotten a lot of dirt on them over the years. I've had them since 2017, so I've had them over 5 years. So you guys can imagine the wear and tear that it has taken, the beating that they've taken from being rented so much over the years. So I went and picked up some products, and I want to review these products today. This is not a sponsored video by any stretch of the imagination. However, I did want to kind of candidly talk with you guys about the products that I found and what I found that worked best with the throne chairs. Now, here's the deal. I am not going to include the actual cleaning footage in this particular video because I did not film me testing them out like a crazy person, and that's kind of why I'm at the park. I got upset because I did not hit record on the camera and I missed like all of that footage. I missed all the dirt falling off of it. I just missed everything and I'm so upset about it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys about it. You know me to be truthful and honest and upright and upfront with you guys, and so that's what I want to talk about today. So let's get started. So the first thing, you know, I did a little research on what works best with throne chairs, and everybody, you know, swore by the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. A lot of cleaning people talk about it, especially when you're doing spring cleaning around your home or with your inventory. It worked okay, but I didn't feel like it got out of a lot of the things that I needed to be removed, like like ink or dye stains from like jeans and clothing. It did not really work well with that, in my opinion. So I mean, it did buff out some things. I think it was helpful for some things, but like overall it was not my number one pick. So just keep that in mind. Now, it works for some, you know, may work for some other pieces, but for your throne chairs, this was like not my number one. This is a good resource, but it's like if you have tough stains and dirt, like, this is not the number one resource for cleaning your throne chairs, in my opinion. The next thing that I tried out, because I thought, well, this works really good with like purses and things like that, which was this is the Wyman. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's either Wayman or Wyman. You guys let me know. Phonetically spell it out in the comments to let me know if I'm mispronouncing it. But this is good for like leather cleaning. I do use it on my leather purses and my boots, and so I was like, let me try it out on the chair. Although most throne chairs are made of vinyl and not leather, you want to just definitely test out your chair before you just, test out a small area, maybe underneath the side of the chair before you use these. But they work pretty good. They did remove some things, but again, my chairs have taken a beating over the past 5 years. I feel as though if I had used these in the beginning when I first got the chairs, then I probably wouldn't have needed anything stronger. Just to use these leather wipes, you can find them at any local store, Walmart or whatever. And I also did a YouTube video, Amazon video highlighting these. If you're, the type of person that doesn't want to go to the store, you can find these on Amazon as well. So with that being said, these did work. They work well, but they did not get in and do that nitty gritty cleaning that I needed on that particular chair. But what I found, you guys, it was this. And this is called Starbrite, and it is the ultimate vinyl cleaner. And I never heard of this before, you guys. This is used to clean the vinyl on boats and things like that. How appropriate, we're by the river today. And when I started to spray this on my upholstery on the chairs, the upholstery of the chairs, which my chairs were made of vinyl. Most chairs are probably made of vinyl as well. When I started to spray this, now I wouldn't recommend this on like any fabric chairs like velvet or anything like this. This is strictly for the vinyl. When I sprayed this on the vinyl, y'all, dirt started to roll down. Dirt that I didn't even know was there. It works so well, and I highly recommend this. It is called Ultimate Starbrite, and I'm going to link the Amazon Live in this video that I use to first review it. So I will definitely link this so you guys can check it out. But this is the one right here. It got everything off of my chairs for the most part. There were some scuffing and things like that I found on my chairs. But I just figured that just comes with the wear and tear of it over the years and just not properly covering it. Like when I let people just rent them and I didn't make them cover them the proper way, or they didn't cover them when they were transporting them. It was some things that got scuffed up and messed up, but that was my fault. And so but in terms of cleaning, this one right here did the job. So definitely check it out. It's called Starbrite, and it's an ultimate vinyl cleaner and will work wonders with your throne chairs or any type of vinyl chairs or any type of upholstery like that you may use for your event planning business or even in your home. This is it. And it's typically, it has a bolt on the front, so make sure you're reading it. And it removes tough dirt, stains, and grime. And the instructions say that it's engineered to remove greasy smears, dirt, stains, and more from vinyl, plastic, and rubber surfaces. So yeah, for use on cars, RVs, boats, canopies, and more. So this right here did the trick, y'all. Check it out. So if you need your throne chairs to be cleaned up and looking like they are brand new, definitely check this out and make sure you read the instructions on the back in regards to allowing it to work 15 to 30 seconds before you wipe it clean or before you rinse it. And if the stain is a little bit stubborn, what I did was I sprayed this and then I used my Mr. Clean magic eraser to remove it. And so this one was a brand new eraser, but I want to show you guys some of the things like that it did get it removed. You see that was like a reddish color dye that had gotten on my chair. It was able to get that off, and a bluish color that was on there, it was able to get it off because I wanted to save it and show you guys, how it actually worked. It did clean some things off. That's how dirty it was. I wanted to show you guys that, but unfortunately I did not get I failed to record the footage. So anyway, take this information, however you like, and then incorporate it into your business. And hopefully you'll be able to get your throne chairs all cleaned up and like new. This is the perfect month to start cleaning and organizing your event planning or inventory. And if you would like to be a part of my spring cleaning inventory challenge, I am going to leave a link down below for you guys to join it. It's going to be so much fun. So each week I'm going to name something that we're going to be organizing and sharing tools that you will need to get all of those things organized. And so hopefully I'll be sharing with you guys the reveal of my area and how I keep everything organized really soon, along with my app. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other tips and tricks for organizing inventory or for cleaning different pieces of your event planning inventory, like throne chairs. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!